The Subaru Tribeca was produced from 2006 to 2014 as Subaru's entry into the three-row SUV market. As of 2025, these vehicles are now 11 to 19 years old, making reliability a critical concern for potential buyers and current owners. Engine problems are among the most serious issues affecting the Tribeca. Early models from 2006 to 2008 with the 3.0-liter H6 engine experienced head gasket failures, typically occurring between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. Later models from 2009 onward with the 3.6-liter engine faced timing chain stretch and tensioner failures. Transmission problems vary by model year. The 2010 to 2014 models, equipped with CVT transmissions, experienced premature failures, with symptoms including shuddering, slipping, and overheating. Earlier models with traditional 5-speed automatics show better reliability, but can still develop harsh shifting and delayed engagement issues. Beyond engine and transmission issues, the Tribeca faces several other common problems. Electrical issues include frequent power window failures and alternator problems. Suspension components like struts, shocks, and control arm bushings wear prematurely. The HVAC system commonly suffers from air conditioning compressor failures and heater core leaks. These reliability issues translate into significant maintenance costs. Vehicles under 100,000 miles typically require $500 to $800 annually in maintenance, while higher mileage vehicles can cost $1,200 to $2,000 per year to maintain properly. Understanding these common reliability issues is essential for anyone considering a used Tribeca purchase or planning maintenance for their current vehicle. When buying a used Subaru Tribeca, a thorough pre-purchase inspection is essential. Here are the 5 critical areas you must check before making your purchase. Pay special attention to the head gasket condition. Early Tribeca models are prone to head gasket failures, which can be identified by external oil leaks and coolant loss. Certain model years carry higher risks. The 2006 to 2008 models are notorious for head gasket problems, while 2010 to 2012 models commonly experience CVT transmission issues. If you currently own a Tribeca, follow these 3 essential recommendations to maximize reliability and minimize unexpected repair costs. Understanding maintenance costs is crucial for budgeting. Vehicles under 100,000 miles typically cost $500 to $800 annually, but this increases significantly to $1,200 to $2,000 for higher mileage vehicles. If reliability is your primary concern, consider more dependable alternatives like the Honda Pilot or Toyota Highlander. These vehicles offer better long-term reliability and lower maintenance costs than the Tribeca.